Hi all. So today I will be discussing something with you about the 50 days 50 Python programs. If you are a intermediate developer who knows how Python works and something about Python, then this video is not for you. Otherwise, if you are a beginner and you want to learn that how to what is Python, how to download Python, and just a simple program that how can we print hello world in Python 2 and Python 3, this video is definitely for you. So for that, let's get started. First, we need to understand that what is Python. Python is a programming language that is used to develop web application frameworks and many other things. And after that, we can see that when how we can download the Python. So for that, you have to download the you have to go to this link python.org/downloads. And if you are using a Windows operating system, just go and download this button, click on this button, download and save it. And now, if you have any another operating system such as Mac or Linux, so there you need to go with this link. You have to go with Mac. If you have Mac operating system and other platforms, then you need to click on other platforms. Now the Python has been downloaded. You place that in your environment variables. If you don't know how to set variable in Python, just type, just go to YouTube and type how to set path in Python. How to set path, Python path in your operating system, whatever the operating system is. Yes. Okay. So this is, and you can just click on this any first video and you can install that. Okay, so now let's move further. The first program in this playlist, I will be discussing with you 50 programs every day so that you can enhance your Python skills. So the first program is how to print hello world in Python. This is just a simple program where we just need to print this string in Python. Okay. So for that, we need to open Sublime Text. If you don't know, it is a Python editor. It is an editor that is used to write the Python code. S- There, you just go with the write print. If you have version, let me tell you about the versions of the Python. Then Control S. Now save it in your folder. Let's suppose this is my program 1. Then I will save here and with extension .py. Okay, now this has been saved. Control S, Control B. Then you can run your program in Sublime Text. If you have VS Code or you want to write the code in Notepad++, then you can just go on net and search how we can run that code. Okay, so this is how Python 3. If we go with the Python version, let's suppose I am printing just 2 minutes. Let's suppose we are opening our command prompt. We have Python. Now, if I write Python hyphen version, then it will give me the exact version of Python. Okay, so just 2 minutes. Okay, we need to, there is some type mistake, so that we need to go. Okay, if I write with Python and version, so I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry, I was entering this in terminal. So if I go with the Python hyphen version here, so it is saying that you have Python 3.7.3. So now if we have Python 2, then we will give it the print and not with the curly braces or round brackets, just giving this hello word. This will run the code in Python 2. Hope you all got to know this thing. Thank you. Thank you. And if you like if you like this program, just subscribe my channel codingmentor.com. Thank you.